ako pinma kan suriya Allah na zama timanan da kuni musu kan yina kasur bin sharbi ya sabur nalamu kuma bayi ne kaman ba galbu yance kan baza ta musurugu ya Allah dabli ba galbu yance kan baza ta musurugu ya panna mun kadibu para chama so ya kan tun karbu tara yance kan no tunnalu kaban kutuma turma kaban kutuma turma kaban kulama larma kaban kutuma turma ya Allah kaban kulama larma akan suru danya hannina bara shaladin malama wasola shima papa god digon zimi safa for long time I no get the income I no get the income so almighty let master also shout na wani karbatara tuma so ya kantum karbatara yannin kanu tonalmo kaban kutuma turma kaban kutuma turma kaban kulama larma kaban kutuma turma ya Allah kaban kulama larma ako pinma suriya Allah na zaman limanin da kuni strakani don su yin balaya kaman bagal da yance kan basatu musurgo yalla adabli bagal bude yance ko basatu musurgo kuma nangal ya pamawayo karabutara tumazo ya kantum karabutara de yannan kanu tunnalmo kabanku tuma turuma kabanku tuma turuma kabanku lama larma wayo kabanku lama larma neya saya neya saya badar musani dede ya ka warku bana neya saya ka badasani dede mimiya ka wari ya pupa na furkatin banyabugu yeto akane ti yayin lamata pilpil guma danin yadane ti yan pu maka pacha pare na kan kuturana na titamlana ti ni morlan wunce mina za hanya fiyatiti na won gafara ka ti kana ta jante na ta bosin yanya tin to pal alkawle sheltin bama sa shel kamza hanyara me yesu ka pibure puni bo so ka tabure puni mun jabaru na kan kuturana na titamlana o kadaru ya puni kada nan matal hanya na tilafsu pupu na pa basan to ya bana masababi ya puni ka hafizu kana ne po ka pa pam yo maka bebe kanten ka ba NTV din chan program ma na wannan nan abarkan nan abyagu puniya hey tana sura duwa ne sama ne duwa tishawa na won yom ne titiya banka alafe ka bosr tabu imma tan pense a shiftin be dupu ne ka bebe na wannan tiso kamza ha alafe bambe tiyata ne ma banna be ya polo be polo hey ba boksir makan da tilabe na wun sane na wannan nan tim nan ya da ba me yasa tarapat dot zo annan mahman da la barka na qur'an da la barka na wun tim tizahan alafi all right in yule mo muhammad hafizu aka G face shi tobina nyasi yanka plicin bitam ka bisan karasu goble bomborle ne tolle annab no ngar ngwari ya pupan native zone chaka so palga kar malla nyila ko nyoro chogole ya chaka ya ti ga ka bang nari malama abia atuzo ayanga aponzo simtati zo biru ngoma o jira nabi sufu shifa ya biya biya karpuni ne dilgo so te bibla alquran na kun fa yakunu no sa so ka te kafne ne kan ala tabarakallah NTV dan ya TV te social angu ma ya program ma mi le mo den chana kamar sa hashar kamza hani yarama ye ka pirga pa ka ba ma ya hey ka baba lulu ka ba ma ya tede ma ka buma dan ya sura yilni ma NTV na won ga fara kai dare ay kamna dare kamna ponchal dia karakan bal zale tu banum dahla barka e no termbala ngale termbala yele to ashel kasu ba ya pal na luti yel tu ka programme ma ka teleno de nasara pam kamena sin food spices nte palisi tomato mix na Mr. Red Motors ne Gramo Heights na ma ka ba mala arziki din makan na ka programme ma ka kan na TV so ma ya yes kama zo dab sino ma ti ya bor man to headline stories kana le gana tsan interview ta ya on a very quick one unko en la talan kalam na ba before kan na die talan ma jakan ko some few headline stories kana die talan ma ya one man ya la dene lesbianism and gayism in Ghana. Our stand is very clear, straight and simple. We don't want it. Lesbianism, gayism, transgender, our stand is very clear now as a country. We don't want it. Simple and straightforward. Ni yetu aya yina Ghana kuzwar ganda karman la kamana yetu ashel ka borno basang berti force. Dini nye paba ba nin tagba ma ka pa yan kamana be yan borla ba pata ba hal karan pa ko ni to no amliya be do ko bor o do ta ba gbin polo kartishi ya ne bo borma ne reja ya kama ya babba su yurlum solen ya ne be chele ta ba na fukum se ka ba shi ya nan de Gana zaha ta pa yel ya ne ti jale nana do no jale chief imam no jale tan nanam ya ne ba jale har tan banye minimum ti ya ne ti jale. Our stand is very clear. Gulan yele la yeto amaya bolzo kar lan labna Ghana tin tere puni yele ti ya targiya katir situoni nyanya la balden katiyan ko the COVID vaccine is in Ghana now. Hey, and issues related to it maya but the time nana do nyela mun chanti vaccine la COVID vaccine ngoma ya ntepa o pa Rebecca nta banna ngartoni no la vaccine ngoma COVID mi yeto akana ka vaccines ti yina kar malla ni bisan la yeto atere puni ne la vaccines ngoma ni di ka chip corona shargala ne den to chanto ne tata yel gola dene jile se kat mal de punu ma be siyasa kar mal de puni de baye to abian katiyen yalle te ya targa ya kallam na te ko yeto shel den yetanazan titi still on the unfortunate state of the runnabouts in Tamale tana bele la yeto alama punu ka be fu ka chele sheti tin yalla ta'abu punu ya tamal gumbal yi tamal dundon punu runabout nam dum piane kanye filin kanye tozan titila yetti naku dolle ne tin nyanya the assembly nama ti yer karasan nama ta minister nama hey halna na do mama ni yadin ko man no san chang de polu ka purification of the Tamale metropolis ka fianam san chang tamal gumbal yele na won ga fara kar yimpal polu ka so kamza hanyar ya we look straight into la run about no maya kana cin lahbar shaddan payyakati yan pole 4th March Judgment Day. Yasaya meme ya the elections da ba can kotu ne na wani something yafiya faga ala Michel din kukan no 4th March balama ya ne ta lahbar din ka da na Supreme Court no la na bangina ta final judgment kotu ma yato aula karna ban na dan dalma ya hey ba National Peace Council nam yalma ne ta lahbare ne da simsin na Ghana maluci bi kamza ha ka bob solo di ta nan kallala announcement ma bi pronouncement ma ka digina ya abiela lambi abiela gwabo National Peace Council neti yelme nusu kama za hasan musolo ya nta halala yetu adaba na hadaba ta ma ka ko yan koy kana le gana nta san interview san tana ya Yasaya Apex Music presents Fresh YB Fire featuring Sapashini na won ga fara ban tulli so nyala ngum be gurgu ya almo ma chana man sha polo ma ka bolo no Fresh YB o drop la yille ka bol yina man Fire balama ka de feature Sapashini de ba video de nyala tin yen drop chez on for that matter dans cette minute min Fresh YB internet studio mo pour later in the program marketing yet drop a little ngoma santa shamya hey minasen food spices lesi tomato mix Mr. Red Motors in Tapa Gramo Heights in the la minti chao advert kalabana lilabana katsarsen na wapi details of headline stories ngoma kana san la interview mata ya full pack show lilabana
gadam am ya shishe din cha baba borin binziruna
ayo
to zuwa yin ya la shishe din jan ababa borin to ba fam ne to ka baba di oyen yellow na pump ba hale ka tuma lo yin pibulo
papi
yeah na gwaro na gafara
kayo be wala na anye bu fachan manu bile nkwe isi tejara nti no binziro kati ka tri panama to zo anyo akuti majil mashe lo an tejara nti chinzo
Yes, Lizzy tomato mix.
Yama gadam na lo amlema
Mami ndashima. Nyala Lizzy tomato mix.
Lizzy tomato mix moya de mes ape za saksima ne zakara. Lizzy tomato mix so kam ne borshe.
Hello, good people of Ghana. This is Absonic head office in Tamale here, and this is our agent, Mr. Red Inusa. He is a very trustable agent of Absonic. He has been dealing business with us for more than 10 years. And if young people want to buy moto, can go to his shop. He also have a showroom in Tamale here.
Mava dang Tony, ka je fiela konza she, ne yera shel ngonyela yung saborle. Ake yingma karabara, nyingba nyingma makar garla la domi sombenya. Tempire moto mga liabre te shana dirta mangma. Nyingba champi den garle te dira manga boyen nang. Yun wotem fiap tab moto ne ma. Tenga moto manga kache twice. Domi pa wabgo blanye songa. Absonic dang yela kan yarango. Absonic moto no modern lela wodum buzul bambara. Absonic kamal tout le showroom tamalza. Bagber pana zuyane Mr. Red be na kwa je enterprise. Kan on kamien tol Absonic moto no polonguna. Ben laba vimvimani. Moto manga araha biare. Guzul dina nye Absonic moto no mo. Absonic dangma moto no zoya pam. Amani yela biala. Dina nye Absonic V5 Star Beyond C5. Tem Michel Weljirala. Kampernem mo boar le pam. Habi dungeon de zogba. Be shebu twami. Absonic moto kianem biani. Aloba de nye combien la. Nere balbo pam. Nirida Absonic moto tesane. Chirata susune katien servicer le traywele. Domendek patron manga biani. Karize ene te kyale patron le kam. Kazonzon gelenyele. Chirata susune kamoto ngoye mel mosugo. Anto lapsena kateta. Mr. Red be na kwa je enterprise sanan tuna chang. Ante wil piga Absonic moto kama mbora. Kaba nondon tu kama tamata. Dome Absonic tuma duso karlema. Besate la Mr. Red be na kwa je enterprise. Nebo kwara Absonic moto nmo. Anternir kam dagbang waza. Mr. Red be na kwa je san maka ichang. Anla nye Benelli Motos. Dagba kul palbe showroom ma. Chamte wil pargam. Belambal RFT 150 Mapuka. NNT 150. NNT 150 Sports. Garaviel Fini. To denka jia bara. Luciano Gabiane. Basa kamboarle. TRK 251. Dama moto balbo kam. Bele Absonic moto nmo. Ne Benelli moto nmo za. Mr. Red Shop mani. Mr. Red Shop ma biela Waterworks. Ayi chwampolo sergerna. Nyagana wata original laboratory ma. Katuru moto kwa soma. To Mr. Red shi tuama mbala. Ami yi tumpuni be Waterworks sergerna. Mr. Red shi tuama min feel free ba ma akbala taba. Wahama Mr. Red shi tuama yela. Wannan banam yela 0243 137223. Ne 020 6136 730.
I've said this before, and let me in conclusion stress again that it will not be under the presidency of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo that same-sex marriage will be legal. That same-sex marriage will be legalized in Ghana. It will never happen in my time as president. Let me repeat, it will never happen in my time as president.
Yesaya, Warela Pupa Nayam as in food spices, Lizzy tomato mix, the Mr. Red Motos, the Pagalamo height, to Puka Pipum. All right, straight out. To Sirgababo, lesbianism and gayism in Ghana, our stand is very clear. Straight, simple, clear. We don't want it. Lala yetu aloma katu wana tizang start the program mama. And it's high time. Sahapapaya Nito authorities. Ti yele karazanma kabazan lala yushel den tabang gamuma antumtuma. Come on, I cannot tell you from the presidency. Ale president, ale vice president, ale come on the legislature, ale come on speaker of parliament, MP nima, bobonaba no man with authority. Dagban la puneti kana karbono mani yele karazanma. Sahapapa ne lala nirbo maya. Kabazan la bachishel ben zang tablo ma yel karazan ma antumtuma in yel yetuale karazane abwarna je kallala yetuale ma ka dele karazan tala anzang ta de ba bande yetu ashel den kana laba allu biashel ben kana tzang paton wa nyam covid corona na ku kana ntana dande ni sanam gande sham kan ni sanam hankal na ku to bon baga turun ma den yina shele covid nana ku fini duniya sa ha gande ma kala Allah munun ma kaban pakka na gana ntu Europe office lala Allah munun ma nyi banama ban sa dappa kapa jene yim bola ba dapta ba nan ba amliya kaba min ba bien as o pano yidana ko buru nyi fa ngone pa ba kabu ga yin ya hal sai kaba ta sana kaman o pa pe kan yim bu kaba loser tabtuni kare no minu yim bien ka zuliyal ya bu zuliyal ya ga ka palanya lala bon kobran ban ba tahar shel ngoma kan ni sel ban tahar ngoma katam na ba du ome no bob swele kan won ba tahara dwam yitwa ka covid na ku jarta gan ngoma and this is that unthinkable people are thinking hal kara ta paga na kamana to yobu office Ghana today la balden ka dara dan wuhna kamane a shoma ya an waka la office ngoma ka da yu despite police da chanya and parla la office ngoma say but this time around it is very clear as a nation that it jelly because over the weekend man nanado da chang asore ma puni ko yelne kaman program andre start ma ta harin yale kan nanado yelte duniya zaha na Ghana ne ta stand la clear ne do kunnan under the watch of munna nado paaba bon paaba ka dapo bor dapa lala lo shel bon bor ngoma a human rights ne bor dan dum zo sa ka shina nanado no ku sale tara de la baldan ka dara kare yina chief imam san representing great Muslims in Ghana ne tijale tennanama but zinle dan ka vubu kaman bejale the Christian Council has done same lesbianism or gayism in Ghana it has no place to stand. So to stand ma panang la clear. There's all the particular ways more the something that can with authority. That whoever is finding lala yetu ayuela mama there's something that kama ya buku yemba pulu. Ba sanam ye lesbians mingi buku wala kama yina kata ba banze mo. Kat kuno Petro bela. Sometimes personally feeling what come on I laugh you can listen yet. Now so personally I can feel that come on yin ya bal shanamba akumala laugh do nkushia kama nesi ya shamu kana on balbe banjon jiru ngota kan yukulu tahba dan samsna le pisha pula do be ni va ida illa I laugh you bala no gelma now so I laugh you bala hal kan yimbe sang le so ananga kati yele pan polo ne betam yin so kan yin boot adoti ne no amele ka mi no biani and you are proud about that be ma zama sha na zaba nan da nan duniya zakar yele la tayi ma to mune tinin to fulina ibu mi yin pile sa hashel corona time when people are sacrificing their sleep to go to God that we need his divine intervention to take us through this COVID. Musaki no jian lan come on now you na kifa one need to make references come on nana do na interview with Al Jazeera be yapulum balama few years ago ne yer come on Ghana to ko to karle rice you to ambala ka bo no denam do ngona nana do pa yele ya no jele no be no o Ghana puni ya John Dramani mama dana interview selmetan sa ka bo ko ya no jele atamis da ya no jele ku fo da ya no jele to pumbo te za hala am yele ya ne te jele babu be nan so har tamalmo mbe soya tamalmo bishop be tamalmo pa min pa ka banon del ka dap min dap ka banon del to pa kam ya ka te karya ka te nya la man biyon ko bosse la bane imbang le kapa ayino doara biyaga har yon bishop ku bien mon bazan be to an yarle har ni video sur social media ko banon to e kara kan non do inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un naunin nama ka alama nan biya ni kaman pa na wunda man balama one to kwa da wata sabata na wunda man bala ba da san manga cham ta pa pa ko ne kapan nan kama ni bo bala dunya ka ta miya behave like a man despite me shaba ka kuma pa alama but still they act like men sahana biyan kan yen chela la yeto ama puni just a food program kan ko bornan kole ten la na yeto ama puni maybe by Saturday in Balama, and we'll hit more on lesbianism, gayism in Ghana. Yesaya, but it's very simple. The smart man la clear. Hey, don't go in your shell comes a hand jelly. So come as a when you authority in Ghana be a jelly. Forget about rights or human bumbo activism no la bumbo kana bumbo. Is it the only issue that human rights no na attended to? Look at the hypocrisy in that. That's the only thing that you think people's rights have been chastised. Do you know how many people lost their rights to humanity in humanity? Kibi yel shere. It is delay la pierma ki cannot you are never for that. It is about human rights. Bullshit human rights. A bombo clad them. Fire go burn them all. Okay, the COVID vaccine in Ghana. Any issues related? Yes, haya. Another year to ayete na katabwana tetere punu bielfu. Dene nya corona na kana. Ka selminsi ban sabla ka yel ka zanna ma ka soka na ha ku zuwa ganda wula kare yen nan mbo covid mo ma ditila karabien ben ka duniya za ha ka bata sati niti shayi na ne to bukse karan to gukata ka duru ma ka raba baga hal ka ba zan lalati la ma ka india doctor bandaba ka ba tere pune inti yehlalatin mo mana ben yehlalatin mo mana ya ka pirga pa ka ba tattale bisan limit World Health Organization nima ka ba tiri puli ne febo nti sat ne kama ntilawo ma de shir nto gukata aka covid karba baga dinan ki tangban borle kama gana nam ne borle gana nam ne dele kana bi zan limit te ba doctor nima te ba bangda ba te ba scientist nima ta bibi bangda ba ka ba tiri puli en lebo ka ba zan malle bole bere puli ka ba le nyanye lalati la changa ban zan malle ngoma de mal barna zan tu soluma de man anfani zanti suluma te gba doctor na miyen vele mo venya nga poi karanetanu karnato sati na san no kubukata kama tahmanren to ta kan wonum za ha kada yinalen wala fasin ngoma kan ni san nim shaba tire pulu kan man la siyasa be lezan kaman lebe paye to ambala tinyar video nam pam karbe social media kabe la vasen ngoma na nyurle nere yon kula to ni bebi chibale nere tim pala sa shel ka to ni butunda wula yeto ambala wula zo sable talam balama lati ma de pebe chante dal na palle yalu if you don't know anything about it be I feel no kamania kata la nyal be ta'ara ni rbazana na chibu akulu borna chiba be chibi aborna chibu ka chibi but don't be going the channel around peddling lies that let man no lango without any scientific proof. There are so many fake doctors on social media in the name of scientists. To unzo enzania. Nana domino pa be chanti chibe. To tele nyanya di kunana be di kuyo katenya. So lala propagating the wrong man. This seems that you let the mind for it. Never had no person who politics for it. Karma nana do chanti di timana no to kukana. What kind of a joke is that? Ah, nana do mila MPP no mi. If you don't want it, just stay home. You're not being chibi. But I would not justify a stand ma. Can you so tell because I can laboratory ballet at the testing ma about the Viela. Just 2 messages on social media, Kabli Bubaki, Gadis on the channel. They don't do that. Yes, but don't kunye shamya. Rebecca and Tapa Nanado 37 military hospital Sohala Atanma, but Chanti Chibadria. Hey, Nede Pantito, the Speaker of Parliament, and Tapa parliamentarians Sahanang in the Benchibi, Kana Council of State, Elders Ma, Kabubachibi, Puikabana Kanatin, and Makana Kanate religious leaders, Kanate frontliners Ma, hey, but no close to, but no exposed to Lela Dotuma, but Chibaza Hakana Kana, the Banya Minimum Punia, Agwaraka Chibi, IJ Kavichibia, to Diko Yeshel come, Deepa Shelam stand, Kamana. You'll never make a mind in fine. That's a decision left to me to make. But year so no rich be no boy you be tele. Not no convince, but I don't advocate that people should not go for that vaccine. No, I won't do that because any scientific proof that the Viela. And I'm not sure the World Health Organization would allow something into Africa, not just Africa, in America, Asia, to mean India, no problem. Sometimes you no. hey covid vaccines ma ya the issues ma ka tsan so ngana ma ya don ko nye sham ya na na ngumino pa bu kun chang ti chibi ya di te pa na tamango kan make mind kan chang ti chibi ne ba make mind kan kushia ama ye to akane de kan atara da araka ya no wula ni scientific proof no la ba yara ma mu na ti chelle the mala de movela look at how it is killing people day in day out within the last few days in northern region here to confirm kaman covid kula nirba pam but nirba pam tiya tamal mo kan yala kaman covid related cases hal ban sat ne yalti yama ban yala kaman bai talhan ma na kan ma covid balama le mutin expose ta man sham yo tan ban na news max na ma tan ku yete ne ban sha kan pune tan nisum su ban ta dan na mo dan kabrana yero hal issue da yina safulu sari mo safulu hospital no la wula close down karabo close down kana de bayi to adele I wanted to attend to that issue but nature but Saturday safulu yi to ama about covid and the facility there ma de bayi to adabian pa kan de born pire puni hey had da nyi call shel karina safulu and the good people in safulu did not like the idea of the layi to almana kana shama tin chele sen na wona something you fa ka sabre that will attend to that particular issue. All right, still on the unfortunate state of roundabouts in Tamale tena ko bian tira ya yete Tamale roundabout no shanga dem pakana tin turi dem pakana tin film dem pakana tin accident tama yede samsen talahna kabina tele reso ya imate nanuma imate assemble nama imate minister nama kabele punya hey hati boro ni yetu anwa karchang te pana na do ya ne rana ba shon yi kana te gande tamal la no on yi gande kaban yar kama fibere puma ne tenam tamal nam padisari ani vinyele ya yes the president and the banam maza habaka na tamal mo nte gande yar la rana ba nama de no ba nyasam if their appointees would put us to that shame but appointed Shaban never stand on behalf of them, man. Never make sure, come on, the purification of the city. That when there a lot from the people in the name of tax, man. Kaba Zorvi, ne Panama min run about the money bishama. Muntum banzola mino yaga, when you can yoka gun the shama. Di no yasam. Tamale, run about nama. When Shadam Bago try run about. Stadium run about. Yohane abedi pele runabout te balla ma sha first runabout la ma sha second runabout de za ha kulle mele hal de shanga bi sa'ara ka para nan da pule ka bi tun chahle ka ere lilke zamane tun chahni ro bodana ma ke la dumna wula runabouts ma major entries into the city ma den mbala aku yankara charna tambale ane nyi shapulu na nyala la ma sha runabout kar zeya kar malla irin bahlela misal ki jar nirbal lagre vieti na moki no kufura ne be lagre yobo holidays in New York holidays in Numa ka commenter shana yin ko nan karanye problem santan ya bitu ku yel pala spirant num ki nan nanda job for the boys ka ba contract ma ka non spirance ma dembo worship lu ba force nyale ka non spirance no soni ya mo man pala kanon de spirance. We are saying this to the authorities, especially last 4 years of the assembly of Bangaria. But to put them to them, but the current holders of the assemblies, man, beside the power plans, Puna Kaman, Tamalon to run about the man, the Pipam, the film bapam, the Truambapam. Simple thing, run about, you could beautify it. To young Punyala Mortan Ban. No, you're more than the Puna Canon, come on the Puna Carabapu Fiela. Just go to Sinuani here, Techimani here. Don't talk about Kumasi Minakra Takuradi that we see the runabouts. Shall be but name after people can you transfer be the Pele runabout. Halabi the Mab of school lave. Why? The Kakaya. That bridge in the Mia Yakapia non Sasha. Kalala Sasha de Punya Talatin Irikazashi ba. Ile tumamari nye talatin ya iri kazashi kawa piga na sashi ntom sang talatu mata kar ku biani basana ka gata ka lehrlen ka yihani ka nan ba ka ti yele yeto an ki sang ti jo wa bon sang ti kele am sang atinya ka biani mukumba yo ati Okay, Tian Dwella to Alomaya had every single headlines cut Tian Kana, Tian Zaleta run about no Makanaya. lighting ye to abana bian street lighting de ba ye to anabian fonde na ma hala assemble swelzo the parliament de binyara de yaya we would be looking at that issue especially next MMDC shabayan kanama ima sanar go be tamal metro be ya pulunama pupo to minimum pay tumda bian titimba tintia hal karto kuriya suli la kati yen no ya dimini nyala kaman funds available for la projects ma lenchele kataban we would assist you people to access funds from wherever the lama ni chana hal bi boraban yale ne kaman internally generated funds ma isang attended to it matana min beyond ki isang one day malran about ma kaswali chinchina ka pintip tamal pala. Why did that happen? Because the president was coming to town for Sif March. You were painting streets. He saw chinchina ran about it. Ka saflawa nama. Then there can kunya ka saflawa until ne yung karazuwi ka yu alokom. What happened? All right, yes. Tin challenge ka guru asabre daria tin yan kana tilap to punisham 4th March next story man balama judgment day man balama yes saya anto te the election matters that arise here ya hey the baba and the gen men sanara announcing na na duranya la wondong nasara 2020 election sheldon nang la kalyam ni chontramani mahama kabadaya na boko salia kada fuye to angoma te ko tu Ghana san hakotu bien ma puni kada bo lawyer chachu chikata ntepa o lawyer be bampo hoso ka basante NDC ka batarna nado ntepa jenmensa nsan to kotu man ya hey 7 year judges ma da til lahbaliya nda wonna santi nyefia pa alami shi del fofu balama dendel ma ka bayen pass judgment ne dendel ma ka bayen yinati yel Ghana zaha election sheldon da nan ma pe kotu man wumi to ashele bon pass judgment kamania okay nanado da shirdiya be nana do da di be ti champ la nan election be den nango na won ga fara judge na man ban pass la statement ma ya na won something ye fe pa ga alami shi dale hey zan chan kurga wo zan chan kurga pide ye to azan ha so kam yin bango wa alam targa ya dan ye shambala to amma da man lallem nan pun ye la tahmaya da ma banda bon na ban sha'anin kotu ma pune dan da nye be perbe jen men sa bara bon wo ti shahara adaka ma pune ka chatutu bo bwase ka loye nan be judge na ma da yan babu da kunnan da man la da chama kallem nan parama ka ci zan jannu kotu ma pulu because no din da yen ban sha'anin nan ka yamma la kar yina pan pulu ya dimi da ban nan so di man la ne ro pam dilan ka korse de punya ba dun ko yen sham te expecter man hey the good people need to know so den dalma ha te za hane bagi in yanya din yen no shamya but National Peace Council ba appeal for calm ne den ne tan nan kala judgment ngoma ka da pasi ne Ghana mahaluci bi kam zan hazan solo ban yen nasara bar yu hayai banya bambin yen nasara ne bar fable yai hey ne da ba bande tumbe tinna be situation shan covid na kana ka yela man yai ne bi samsin da la pasi ya ka ne ru yina ta jumli trabi karan malla kama yeto ashan nan me ne NDC me ne MPP mi ne di nan ka kotu ma yeto ayina kamza hanyale ne ka sati lemnama dinyala bidda nasara kutuma ni na ayni lem nirbi lem pamba ma saha Peace Council nam ne ba pahma solo kasati ya dinyala wabgan di nasara he ne ba sati dinyala lem di nasara ne ba sati ta bamba dol sa'ar yila ngoma ne katiza hasati ka ya bu tupale tu nyuta na ka bu tupale tu nyuta na ya nta halala yeto alama ba bi pashal dinin ka alami shi dale ka judgment ngoma passe asfar da ti kana programa tan lehlenya judging ma yeto adana ka bazan song lemnam na saadi li sham wobganam na saadi li sham and the general public ma ban receive la information ma bi alala announcement ma sham ya da ha tan le repuni nyanya okay on a very quick one 10 rich northern artists din chalmin ti ma za ha te kan with an initiative kayen no chat shele. Let us chat mama. It is just to spice up the industry. Come on, bring on the folks, the Halan Karamin Kuma, every other musical dominated industry, but on them across the world. Northern region, what you listing me 10 artists, 10 rich artists, and they are wet. Young Bansama, Tipia, but near Pia. Muntu Mal Arziki, Muntu Bara. And to me, and Shama, it is just to make a projection as to things and cracks in the shell dwell in Yamia. Artist money, number 1 assets, 2 mo investor in the artistic brand puni, mo kulare be mo dirlare in the o tumama puni san changilama, kana chinche mo me show numa and how much on data show num ya puni. la criteria no kati you see on mal access shanga boko bagi yila puno one secondary arziki on dirle shamno no oyila puno en yi ata alla ko to no show no ma show de ba la ko no in the last 3 years got the listing nyanya ngombono do number 1 ngombono do number 2 boko mala alla ko ti video no den ko mai 10 rich artists in northern region den chanti ma tena prepare yero ya so artists ma hey access declaration and balama chali akata bang hey in bar sham in no sham za ha 10 kati yen no ya ka announcement ma ka make program so tena be set date chanti yen because the team is still available kana make a research mama ka get into artists ma nyanya be sham be ante gandila be nyanga ntinya be private life uni buntu achieve when sha in music support shall be nyara investment wise when no sham za ha this is just to make sure that artists mama they are up and doing and they are working how can they understand come on hey yida puni jabiri puni ya de batena ma de la rishili di pashele within the course of the week Saturday in the labna nilanta teachers as to research ma then na passion ya and they shele ten year kanata announce 10 rich artists and they are wet on the show ma then zan leta ya saya okay Mampu yala yesu ngotomala interview kada kanna ya Apex or you drop Apex Music fresh vibe in balama ten drop la fire featuring Sapashini nzanta ya okay de babian kanna ya kanna ko di pashale ti de talongo ma kalamna we talking about the interview menacing food spices ntapa alisi tomato mix ne Mr Red Motors ntapa glamo height nama bananye bambi arse kitima puno ka program ma kanna ma ya before kanna de talongo ma kalamna chakanti ga nati yilmo hamdiya o damli yamanya la den kanna Allah hada na wona santi yefe paga ya that's why I mean dang some man she interesting ha that announce it ya hamdiya te yilmo hamdiya balama we dan the entertainment show on news ma la besa hama ntapa program you know development watching balama okay hamdiya okay janchila adwa ngona ko yali once again tell la poka pa Abdul Wakil ambitious ntapa mufti ntapa bazabatri and over the weekend ma banda no ba amli ma mampu yala yetamala interview no kana ya so ko ndela talent on a very quick one labna fresh YB o min Oros manager mo ni don set ben kana katapo hayu tabya den chana on NTV den labna
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Mimiya ne ya saya bala daru musane dede talla nyele jahanam puka pa apa manda kunno ya doesn't NTV ngoma and once again cheka mina za hakata puka pa mina zin food spices ntapa lisi tomato mix ne Mr Red Motors dumbe wata wasapa dawo zola lele nyele kan borno puka pa glamo height ya saya mandi bendi mane elere pa bu fielem zoya ne dapo min pa baza hade yen no shamka na bango makara nang polpole from the beginning of the program mampunta artist no chana yes and this particular artist ma yeto abian pam kata bonde tiyele de ba bande on drop de yishele ngoma mpunta Allah bali yila ma title yele dene ya saya fire bu bolle man no bogum ya fire yila ma title mala fresh YB o kanamana kashir o road manager o mino road manager kana ngoni nye don set ya yes mpunya la de yen nan sham so sadi kana tibela yele pam tuko sarsala ndaba ndito interview ma puni nye ye shanga den so ai na azo katia yele yo kasa dan yibuka suarka karya Bebe yini mnisunchi tere ku yelle na azo ka ku kara ka tura ka taba ku kara kan kama to yo ne fili le shamba na bu ko yara itu ka ba ku mina itu amba ba ka ba garma da mu bara yu zamba ya anyway wula njale ala fi be donc c'est yala ma be wula ala fi be de chan fe yala de date ma mbango palle mbale ma donc c'est ma so passer ma yem wali ya me dinon ka na billahi ma ne your advice ma o pisu ka pick hal date ma fa se ban announce date ma be na chale na ta ko ya musulma no ana lu fu shan ka fa bla sa na wula ta ko bo you know ana nago ba no na ma mle na le ka ma ire okay ona mesodo la that's very wonderful. You know, this particular young guy, I mean, group in Danyaba, I mean, very interesting group. And I could put from Gugu Jisuna, Yele Haleti Kumbung, the side man was I mean, these young guys, they have seized that area. We could seize that area, Mazan had the Zagua, and we couldn't even feel it that Hali Niman, the side man, cannot tampuni their names. But Yulma, the rapper, the Swatila, Yalamaza, and he has been on this show, I mean, 2-3 times in Balakamino engaged Tama. The last time, you know, Ibrahim Shuma, he was one of the guys that Bang Book Shuma had character. And trust me, Hali Bam Brandam Katarazam who promoted Shuma in the Bashaka Kaza Karana. And it was even more greater when I went to that area. These guys are very popular there. And the area they are respected. Okay, so the person to interview man the Chantuni Biela, he understanding the Yershamaya. Yes, fresh. To pick him briefly because Trapung Bala la Kauli Yemina Pohani Utawa. To come les Osakara. Are you man yala?
You man yala
out. Okay, very well. La Guruka baby Jisuna, Yaka baby Katargabi because I don't be like Konakam.
Mama Yanga, Bamimission, give over the banga. I'll go fresh way. I'm going to give over the banga. Damn, you mess up and give over the.
Oh, okay. Masha Autonoma. But the Mala, I'm going to Mara around in.
I'm that time I was in Mazat and soon, so to be able to come down. They can live in
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, I understand now. I am Tam Galicia. Tanoko Rama in Gurubi Qatar Whiska. We have sometimes the Mala are not very active around this night. So Ibalam Villa. Yes, the Lamash, Malshavo, the Alpha for one side marker. Malafani man. Only a palm.
Abba.
Yo, no. Anyway, musically, come on, I ain't read time this time around. We come and I explain among ten what would you say about yourself as a musician?
First of all, so on Apple Music, way back like somewhere 2015,
okay.
And then group AX as group among of Suzamani. So got all the first album launch, the Kola Garden 2018.
Sure.
That was controlled album launch in Alabama. It was massive. And besides, instead shoes in my own brand. I champion then you turn on Kumbong concert, which was massive. In the video premiere Kumbong, it was massive. Can't you know you video share Google? I had to take that concert. The Barachan of Yanga.
Yes.
So far, my one album.
Okay.
In my own brand.
Okay. I yell about the group man. I mean, Tizahara I mean the group. What happened? Yeah. Group man, you know, Kulubo.
I'm very humble and I mean the book from Kabur Sulu, so then San Yakonia to Asmundan.
Okay.
Mamma never booked this, I don't let see. So, on that phone calls from made me a partner Zamani, where I come out for another Bishama. Or by Tuma beside music, and it's my but this more time because my voice come around, Katuma's word, and you know about the buzz word para.
Sure.
So this have all the time.
Of course.
So I got what Apex as group and yeah, at the end, when you rapid demand, the man then both interviews and then programs and program money. So you can create some kind of room where like that is Zaberman. So you can afford a brand man, on brand man. So I know to do about brand at passion man. So if we in the kind of Sangari and a big man to lack of behind Kabayama, then one can post for the meantime, especially the fresh school. After all, you go to 100 champion. So go young Piaro. Suggestion. Wish I been when a Bishaka.
Okay.
No go back yama. So but I understand because we na yeah, ka fresh on sound iba ma chan. So na na shamba la maka.
So mutual agreement in that.
Ya kunyela.
Ira be pergala na katawa.
Kala.
De tombel be tenara.
No.
Yama. So bu fiap chou ka sou la cheka. Ah okay. Dama yon yi toi.
Mais abale na no e bo dama na no program share. En trick and ever. Jawa dama first.
Okay.
Na ma be kusin na ba da ba dama.
Very well.
Jawa na ma shawara first.
Okay. La ashuma.
Yeah. Put my pension in on it.
Okay.
And then I went on Kachambi.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Orabi la ashuma.
Ora
no bisegar.
Ora no bisegar.
Okay. All right. Check and kada don't set before can land no san katinya. I mean this time around the one team if formula can not solid pam and it's important that an connect your mama. When I started with that idea of visibility as a group ma. The tono kashamila di partially ipamboma san karada yina or maybe rawa bala vinyalanga. Adit tableni lela yitu alama kakaba yetu anabi shi to anda ka
kashi to nya ha ja kan tan min ga wasu zamanin ku ba
okay
kama an fresh vibe ni ko explain ma o tuma wa min gila ma ka to ko wiya tuma ko to la da min gila ke ko to tan ne kan ta fu ma ni an san bana
okay
ne to chang bo ya ko fresh vibe ya ko to no affaire to mo shi to ta to shi wona du zo sa ko kamel bara
o yu'ar du shapulu
o karbiye pa
aba
so me da certificate
okay
so boraya na den ona shi so ne aka na zan wa ken
okay
in case kare ku tiara dit kunya shi ka o ba nu be support na so kashin to shi la jota min ka su sabana su
very well okay nku bor man da bakara ni shahra ka okay ni bo pam tan min la dinyo fresh in yarla ma bat ngara bi nyanga ka to swale all right manager ne lan labna asani ha because this time around I mean this is single artist di partially pumpon ligne tuma because di da no keep progress to ma ta asana artist be a group of people pumpon niveau yinga zo kare ya ne labna ka yelma den no keep to ni masham yes fresh te labna I mean brasalen da masalen da shabe na kusalen da la ne da shi muna
oh yeah
Boleh minum
Ntar dukunya speak ada motivate mami.
Oh okay.
Dukunya inspire mam kan dimension anda mam. So ang Muslim tu mereka nak kuma invest beginning. Be invest ma and be nyala tu be into be out tu kan di shi mana.
Okay.
And dukunya speak kan kami so nak kami shambering nyanga. And then yes aku ya. Mam punya somewhere God not kita mete face juga kondola. Dan ko da taps and signature. So tu mara no kan ni kuma duka da ko ya ko duka da ko. So in chant taps and what mean be kan dan so. Instrumentation ko me ka ta fi dan so. So anan ku ba tam da.
Okay.
So ko nan mai bi kace ko ta labna ko ko ari everything ka tam bi man so. And I'm not going to go to the ina mali dan dan. So kan no ti to zan mai within kuma irin kuma few minutes and such a banaka tam shama kai agree so then there's something behind the shimuna ma.
Oh okay.
That's why guys from here the shimuna. The shimuna that's so ni kada ko mai no the shimuna ma.
Udon wa bolen de ma.
So I'm calling man ka pa ni so ka motivate.
Okay. There's nothing spiritual about it. Shabe na karanya le shabe le tisha yu bala shabe le. Wo ni yarma na kumbitin na ka ta tahla ba. Umala shabe na bormo ko ko eji so we don't believe in it.
No.
Okay. All right. Where you love na sare katin yanya. Pumpo I handle la one artist. When you fresh mbala ma. What are you tuma? I mean video no bia na yila na record bia na show no bia na plans from management ma. But what ki ba?
Oh, 30 ma wo ya. Ya ikyo nkunye.
Aba
because team ma pour so camera tuma.
Okay.
Il so kan sari pienya la shi. Pienya ta shi. So il tito ko la meeting. Kanya ya. Fresh vibe so ka ta la.
Very well.
So la ya so atuma wa ka antumi.
Okay.
So kam ni yer ga. So 30 ma ta pon ni mo pa.
Okay.
Because at artist mo o work hard pa. Ka team ma ga to kula set ta ba. Because since bon ko started, EPS mi so ta no ko boba.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't want you mean about you can't.
No,
so come you pay hard.
No, so come for me. I don't make catchy.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Fresh, you can you shut into a person who title man fire.
Yeah, fire.
I've got battle yan.
No, oh, yeah,
but you to be shapuluna. Why do Galabon? Fire, title man fire.
Yeah.
I mean, what is it about? Is it about love? Is it boosting?
No. Dukunya club song, party song.
Oh, okay. Party song.
Unlike my tempan so going to my near Hawila, the bad bazaar featuring with that Hawila.
Okay.
So I don't know to start the tough flavor man, party song.
Okay.
Maybe one side of it. Mommy, come clap when you won't be a clap.
Oh, okay.
I guess in the bomb better.
No, she do 40.
So I had 2 weeks. Whom I have on.
Okay.
And I'm a woman, yes, for the reason.
About
bomb and
I t-shirts,
t-shirt, yeah, the mother of
So that's the reason why I keep well in the fire, man. And you're able to put another great artist on it, man. When you're Sapashini, one of the guys that I respect so much, naturally talented. I mean, very, very, very respectful. Sapashini, how come? Who like to zone? Be management in that design.
No, this is happening. The creative work in Daniel. Mami, I'm a as a brand, Palin Yelek. I like my industry player, big my senior artist being good. Can you Apex over Bangladesh? Okay. Brand Yelek. So there have been Daniel help them today. And again, see my way from so much, you got big what they want. When you get a passion, so many so many best of money. So through Banana Pie, Mama, and team together. But that told you. And then suppression like big ups to him. Run like a super pump. Okay. You have now send you to like now send you to. I will chance to do no PR. So me a really clean now. I don't need no mention so we put them.
Wow. Big ups, man. Big ups. Sapashini, the warrior, Belama. I mean, big ups to you. And deep shall teach them to be a twin drop yama. There's a hand in your WhatsApp passion really spit on that beat, ma. The Rashid Mando Chamaka Lamna be on Sunday in the mana, Pangmang Beautiful. We will find out that one later. But I can take a nitty when your shell comes out. Then Chanka Lerma on NTV, Menasen Food Spices, and the Palisi Tomato Mix, Mr. Red Motors, and the Park Glamour Height. So, interview Shelton Noma. I mean, we are talking to one great talent of an artist, Oyulomono Fresh YB. Got to drop a video cover ball in the fire featuring Sapashini all the way from Gambaga Superstar Man Belama. Yes, Oyele. I you to upload the Maya and the blue beat in yellow. Okay, what about the video?
Video of Gumash
Mali. Gumash is another great guy. The man I never meet it about. Gumash, I am my video.
I'm talking about the side man.
Oh, okay.
About the special man, great chef. The man, the pipe, some dishes around man.
Okay. All right. Homemade video, madam. Jacan so haka today minti yenga nchante lela video maka labna ya Fresh YB Fire featuring Sapashini. We'll right back after this.
Best music, yeah. Fresh YB, yeah.
Our nation, Sapashini, Blue Beats.
Santa Makande, baby no darling. Clap when you got the bay. Maratuna Marama, Sanjal Makapuma, fire. And AP make a soya, fire. Mosaka Yama, fire. The champion Kajama, fire. Sanjal Makapuma, fire. And AP make a soya, fire. Mosaka Yama, fire. The champion Kajama, fire. Hey, baby, show me fire, yeah. Come check it, I go banana. Baby, show me fire, yeah. Come check it, I go banana. Shemana, Fresh YB, I'm a younger damn young man. It should be your baby Tizanga, oi. I shape a la Diana, Santam Taman Rihanna, oi. Oh my baby, bend down, no one walk, man, you have fun down, go, baby, oi. I'm a Tony Yanga, I don't let a man let a hammer macca. Mr. DJ pull up selector, for the girl them to check the bomba. Ball get in the knee, oi, in the knee, when it's for me, ball get in the knee, in the knee, when it's for me. Santa Makande, baby no darling. Clap when you got the bay. Maratuna Marama, Sanjal Makapuma, fire. And AP make a soya, fire. Mosaka Yama, fire. The champion Kajama, fire. Sanjal Makapuma, fire. And AP make a soya, fire. Mosaka Yama, fire. The champion Kajama, fire.
Get me down, hey, we better than bad. Our nation we bad. We tougher than them. Sapashini me tougher than them. I'm a lady's favorite. I'm a lady's chocolate. I'm a lady's favorite. I'm a lady's chocolate. Everywhere come on Navia Kubura. Nama swaro ku chekera. I'm on Navia Kubura. Nama swaro ku chekera. Neka mwambela umna. Sapashini sigma. Neka mwambela umna. Sapashini tuguma. Our nation, Fresh YB, another banger, Polo baby.
The bubble banger, I'm gonna be so good buyer. Why you to mark and fall? What you Billy can yo? Fresh YB, our nation, Wama Kumya Yamata Zanga. Fresh YB, our nation, Wama Kumya Yamata Zanga. Santa Makande, baby no darling. Clap when you got the bay. Maratuna Marama, Sanjal Makapuma. And AP make a soya, fire. Mosaka Yama, fire. The champion Kajama, fire. Sanjal Makapuma, fire. And AP make a soya,
na won gafara bennit lawra shapola afizu mind beni mana ya chakanda chale saraka ya tega ka wana mina zende lizi tomanto mix Mr. Red Motors wata wasa paldango so ka bamal fukum se pan Absonic moto ballakam nta pa glamo heighten ma banyala bambe arse kiti mapuno ka programa ka da kanna ya tun drop video shelter ngoma fresh YB ban tulle so ko beti studio ngoma pune mun drop yila ma title ma nyala faya ya na won gafara ka sapashini gambaga superstar ma mbala ma ko non no podo pune yo blue beat nyangun so bon kum da ka yila ma ka da kana ya ka gomash ko nyangun su video ma fukum si I mean everything in it is classic super and standard anywhere in this world la video man to me and la studio ma pune fresh YB in tapa don set bana ko bien makati zongri yala po kana chapsi programme so ya yes la bana nkore na ko tesha na kambor na yelle nyala I mean madame no be video man madame no pichu madame ba bien pichu madame yo ngong branye size of one but she didn't teach on to be to pitre madame da be promesse pitre madame kam na mala gona no madame chance kurbu chang turu wa gafa maybe yeah. All right, fresh. Think of the video, ma puli. I mean, I'm congratulating management, ma, because I'm very sure that most of the to mama management here in Yali. I mean, to drop a song, Kayila Makabelina come and let's go further promoting the song with the video, ma, management here. So don't, Ipang Mambono, Ibuambono, ma, big ups to you guys. Yes. Deepa I'm sure.
No.
Yes. Yeah, sure. Video, ma, there are no such thing, be as in narrative, as in time, as in don't go in a cafe.
I'm going to chercher the down.
Okay.
Donc on y a tout le monde.
Caché pour ma
boule.
Okay.
So chacun d'entre nous là switch it.
Okay, very well.
Quand tu vas en avec bah, on va pour mes bras na de bipom ha. On arrive à avoir des pics. Abba. Vous en avez.
Là, il a pris le caché. Comment là bah? Ah, mbeti mal. Samuel, il va chez papa. The plastic, Belgian bench now.
Kitchen stool.
No, oui. Someone who I mean, once again, didn't call a video more and table come on the standard in that video. Let's look about let's look tell him a video, man. I mean, go match. A first time, I'm come in work.
No, my one man also in the video.
Oh, okay. All right, that one, man. Okay, that's very good. Don't want to meet up here. And this one, he didn't disappoint at all. Ladies, my Irish banner. When Bangladesh souvenir.
Don't go on
Bangladesh. In Dubai. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean, they did very well. Yeah.
I'm currently the final year.
Okay.
So, you
sure.
And this one about Fresh Empire. Empire, Madam Mother. This much so let's get some guys in there. So there are even the Trump. That one I say to push him brand more. After make the artist the king young video. So to rep more. Land so cover cannot. I'm going to cover that now.
Mama, ni na pimo kachima. Bana jama kachima.
So I say big up to them. Big up to them. That's fashion department, ACM department.
We all support them.
Yeah, so big up to them and the entire school in general.
Let's look at our social media handles, man. I mean, very important. Someone will be looking up to see the video on YouTube and other platforms that are not available. Either audio or video, man. Platforms that look at it, and to be said with.
Audio mark.
Okay.
My team, and I got 1,000 channels. The audio mark.
Okay.
And then again, YouTube. The audio mark, yeah, Fresh YB. Fresh YB, YouTube. Fresh YB, Instagram. Fresh YB.
Okay.
It's only on Facebook and yeah, Fresh YB/Impex.
Okay.
Page one by Facebook page man, Fresh YB/Impex.
Okay.
Then by my Fresh YB, YouTube Fresh YB, audio mark Fresh YB, Instagram Fresh YB.
Very well. Apex man, the man you not use salame. How video man put in your camera in Apex Music? You still use that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Very well. I think that's very great. The champion yanga can number the mommy maybe someone want an audio or maybe link ma didn't to send a hi, can send a link ma number then cut into use.
Okay. I could know hi to 054.
Okay.
62.
Okay.
888.
Very well.
41. 41.
All right.
Again, 054 62 888
Abba.
41.
All right.
Yeah.
The Shemana Yesaya, Apex Music Kambalama, Fresh YB, Fire featuring Sapashini, Nina Kabola Yilama, and to check out on YouTube, Audio Mark, Nuyuna Kunyala, Fresh YB, social media handles Madanzan, apart from Facebook, who use Fresh YB, Apex Ma, Karijoine Tababa. Apart from that, I could bora Gilama, Kati any social media platform, being it on YouTube, Audio Mark Ma, Kaku type in Fresh YB, Yilana Maza Hanigina Kanyalia, Nina Nankabola on WhatsApp, and to WhatsApp number 0546288841. Once again, 0546288841. Number no Masa Haka Yipole na won gafara the Shemana Apex Music Empire Mambala Anto de Yilishan Biripunia. Yes, before Katana Kolvabe Katana Kana ka drop some freestyle on Fire Mama Mama. Tell Lamatinya Ara Yella Yishel and I was talking about you never yellow Moka.
Yes,
Surgane.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Battle so man now.
No, I brought you like Mamia, you get imagination.
Okay.
So I imagine can so real.
Okay.
I don't by try and bear.
Okay.
Don't look a lot more real my mind. So I can't listen to the try and bear. So
okay. Sure. Like mostly I mean sometimes you observe and you see it, sometimes you see it from your heart.
From your heart.
So I think you touch it from your heart. It looks real. Okay. Who and Daniel no le bien account.
Number me kampizu ai nkala kale kaplo yonduni ami akadu jara ai akapulo hesa kuba kaptuan karata
Zanwa oi Zanwa dans on yeto abere ni la kawo
number me kampizu ai nkala kale kaplo yonduni ami akadu jara ai akapulo hesa kuba kaptuan karata ganga sama ai Mr. Suro, Baba Manama la Mola, Tomana Nubatera, Zoto Golora Kadura, the Gargaba, Masuruga Kadira, in Soba. I live my life my way, and my warden pleaser so. I have an Ajagache, then so Kuche country, and feel like a Bobma, money number 3 I let him walk on Banda, money number Yakolaba, Toma Parinama. Kan jamda dole abi manduma ba fila nan madban manma ay fane kam yeserun yoruba insurwane
wayo
surwane insurwane
nyiri na bugu diru ya jiwa na ro kapolo nyimu mi sama yonkwa yoyo sama yoyo o waliam no wey anu beri ya to ashero Nkondera ba sama yoyo liamno. All right, take akabana din charka na kogoma on NTV katimin Apex Music Fresh YB omino manager road manager Balama don set katapo hayo retabia to drop la yilpale ka title of the song Mani Fire featuring Sapashini Awu Nation President Man Balama. All right, nidi nan ka bori yilama, you can check it out on Audio Mark, you can check it out on YouTube and social media, of course. Fresh YB Apex Ma on yala been on social media, of course. And to number the modern 0546288841. The Shemana Yesaya. All right. For you can now qualify. I mean, we shall go. Which guy? Yeah. What about that song? The title, Daniela?
Yeah, Bizarre.
Bizarre. Do another beef now, but
yeah, no, get my like my mama left me in good record is like and by the same time.
Sure.
She went down to my Shabbat with her.
Yeah, of course.
So he didn't shall buy. Can the greater can hit down upon you. I ain't like a Heraben just I went for just work hard, double your hustle.
Okay.
Bill, mom like this, we're taking life.
Yeah, of course, sure.
I'll take a bazaar, I got bazaar. You guys that bazaar.
Come down. Okay. All right, that one to just some free food, 2 lines of that song.
The warrior ma, so Kamala o Dalsa, I, Barater Madaraka Gota, Biaguda Chakang Manda Bola, and Makagur Terba, I, Zuzolima, and Makagur Terba, last warrior never lose hope, as for the better must come, the Carabaza, Bum, both ladies, Bumbala, hey, bless family, Nimbula, Moba Chichi, Kazumoka to win it, Titi. Garbaza pam, hey, Apex Music.
Yes, sir. Don't patch our last one, man. Before cutting out qualify, didn't you fire? Yes, we're dropping the biggest one for the last. Before we sign out, fire, man. Then drop it. You say, "Zoma, featuring some passion, my teacher, man. Let's go fire."
Fresh baby, baby, show me fire, yeah. Come twerk it, I go pay nana. Baby, show me fire, yeah. Come twerk it, I go pay nana. Fresh baby, I'm a younger damn no and she'll be a baby tizanga. I sheba da Diana, Zantam Deman Kamariana. For my baby, bend down low, Wagaman, you have fun down go, baby. I'm a two younger, I'm a little man that I have my maka. The DJ pull up selector, for the girl them to shake the boom back. Bad girl, wine is for me. Bad girl, wine is
we blessing in the studio.
Jabba Banga, Mbola Biso, Mura Baya, or you to mark and for. What the Bill can you?
Yes, Tinubu, how is show that form of group? Bumbo. What about Bone? Cabra Sura Senma no group, Makandai. Njele Wula. Ah, Wula. Then did you warm with you? No, to Ayueka. Then Carapune, then Kashim Power. You could be a Muna. Pocati and Bolam Borsha, Mamma Kuzanta. She and Kalari. Nikalari. Alright. Yes, then Chanka Goma on NTV to Sama Garia to Bonda to Puka Pamu comes and Hagba Dinchana, Jakan Labana Sani, and on a very good way on Donzet, Uncle Punir by Unibata to Sama Garia.
No, Team Mark on point.
Okay, very well. All right.
Baba manager, you see, okay, Piaro,
of course.
Asuro,
okay, good one. All right,
the
Papuya Kapam comes and Habila Yalama Karunda. Fresh YB, I'm Punir by
so I'm going to put Fresh Empire Mazama first.
Okay. Very important. Of course. Okay.
The ones are all
very well. All right. The Bapuya Kapapam, Yomaka Baby Kantanga, the Babanda Bambi, Gurgu, I mean, Katarga from Jisona Yili, I mean, Kuchan Hali teacher Kumbung, the Babanda Ayama, Malshao, Mindi Yangmasa, who comes and having it to pour a caparuso Kamazahan Bayini. Of course, Puikatana, Kolfacha Kantega, Nahamdia, Tiyamo Hamdia, now there's something if you paga Alarsha Kukana when you would Amliamaya. Yes, details man in Yelefe Yelanga, Kalazan Latana, within the course of the week, maybe Saturday in Lamna, Halamliama, but there is Simpson no interview, but Niro Turamliama, Niro Turumpania. I'm just a Borsha Bambi, you know, have a child 10% Pamaliama, but I fix that date. Kalam to postpone it, Kablana fix it, Kalam to postpone it. You may be a young or the fair and you Gugi Manga. Kazuma, you Mohana to Gugu Manga. Kilagan the 10% to relate. Tiako in Yale, Susie to Auntie. You don't want to be Susie. Yes, Lala Nyala Kamborno Puyem, Abdul Wakilo ambitious Mino Pa, Bazahan Banina Ruka, Nupuka Paba from Wakili and Tupumu Kamza Hadana, Dabunia, Kamza Hada Pamanga, Ka Alhar Delma Komin Upama, Amliama Dalu Vinagama, a fan of Bandashin Lally, Netupuka Paso Kamza Hanan Bayindi, Rukamino Young Masa Hanana, Abarkanan Itapunia, Bimi Bandashin Dimagba, Nanan Abarkanan Tibupuni, Wakilu Numpu Bumbalan Masa Hanan Bayindi, Bandano Yukutu Kana, Bambutu Kana Kavayada Dabi Amliama. Netupuka paso kama za handang bayindi wakilo numpu chairman amoka chi ne bambala na maza handela na jalko bano puti je kalo na puru na I mean all those that supported in little bit heavy way to make the wedding a very successful one netupuso kama za ha and again abase battery baye numpu mu kama za hada nan kwamon ku da mil yamada nan Allah har dalma abas battery ni shabra yitema shabra ya krakana ne baza ha family ma mini jusam le banda kana za ha netupuka paso kama za handang bayindi all right chakanyenya yes mufti Badamle Daniel than Allah Delma. Yes, Mufti, you want to Sandana because I was not able to pass you. I was so much engaged later in the Dima Karabutu Nankankanaya, but still Nakana to put Amin Amelia. Yes, now only something if you pagon to it first and Balama, Mashetum Putin with Jabala Alasani, Fansagaram Jabima, Uba Amelia than Canon the 21st. Now something if you pagia. All right, the table don't be a mirror and Changa Sabret and on the program, Nihitilla particular ones, Maya. Jaka Yens and Kapuka production team as a Hanang Bayindi, as always, Abigail MFA in charge. charge of the cameras ma Ahmed Yala be MCR ma ka Shahid and Tapa Jacob ka be MCR Accra general manager Mr. Enoch Afe Kujo Boatin is the CEO of AKB Multimedia. Yes, the programs manager Mr. Waris. I mean all the guys inside the house supporting. We much grateful. Thank you so much. Marhaba. Marhaba. Marhaba yenna dambi yesal makabam bo hagar kobga nitul ko chonso kanu za prepangata ma ni kunyi shel kam ya san me yim ka sa ta ko lan ko man panga Muhammad Hafiz the trainer. We out. Bye bye. Salam.